stuff that's damaged maybe that I missed, or the insurance company missed, and that's pretty much it. As the parts come, I'll hopefully have all the parts.
This is a tear down mode.
Yeah, tear down mode right now, and then take a final parts list. Hopefully I ain't missing nothing. You always usually find something once you're ripping it down.
Okay.
Say, we do something about it. Learn how you can help. Visit Hunter's
Big cities. Paris is not phenomenal. Check out the Eiffel Tower, and you have to go all the way to the top of the Eiffel Tower.
Check it out. Okay.
Okay, we got the fender removed. Now we're prepping all the areas that has to be glued on. Well, yeah, go ahead.
Huh?
Yeah,
What do you think? They good enough like that?
I'm just taking a little. Yeah.
You can grab the back if you want. Okay, hold on. Okay. Alright, just slid right. Alright, hold on.
Hi,
Hello.
nice
good
to
enough.
drop that off.
Oh, you got one? Oh, no. Okay.
They must maybe
Oh, they couldn't get one?
yeah, must be.
Alright, I'm gonna shut it again.
Oh, let's see, order. Is this 9?
Yeah, they caught it.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Thanks.
I'm gonna shut it again.
Well, now it's, see this here? Well, now it's pushing
No,
forward.
it's alright, right?
So much greater. It's not even close.
Alright, we have it all assembled, colored behind the parts. That's called cutting in the parts. I'm going to tape it up and spray it. It's nice.
You said something very interesting, that you belong to one of the most aligned faiths or religions that there is. And I happen to agree that Mitt Romney, for
Beautiful repair job, I might say.